In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rain effect in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular photo into a moody, rain-soaked scene using OpenArt's built-in tools. Start on the OpenArt homepage. On the main navigation, hover over the image section to reveal the editing options. This is where you'll find everything you need for transforming an existing photo rather than generating something from scratch. Next, click on Edit Image. This opens the Image Editor workspace. Here, you'll upload the picture you want to enhance. You can drag and drop your file or use the Upload button. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit image. The AI handles weather really well, and good detail helps the rain strands and reflections look more natural. Once your image is loaded, look for the Stylize option. Stylize tells OpenArt you want to apply a creative transformation to the photo while keeping the original subject and composition intact. Think of it as setting the overall mood and weather, rather than changing who or what is in the scene. On the right side of the editor, you'll see style variations. These are preset moods that guide the look of your result. Browse through them, then select Cloudy. Cloudy is a great base for rain because it softens shadows, cools the color temperature, and creates the overcast atmosphere that makes raindrops and wet surfaces feel believable. In the prompt box, type rainy weather. Keep it simple here, since the style is already doing a lot of the heavy lifting. If you want to nudge the feel, you can use natural language like light drizzle or heavy downpour, or mention cinematic rain for a more dramatic look. Avoid overstuffing the prompt. A few clear words usually work best. Before generating, adjust the number of images. This controls how many variations the AI will produce in one go. More images give you a wider range to choose from, but they can take a bit longer to process. If you're experimenting, try 2 to 4. If you're hunting for a perfect mood, bump it up. Now click Create and let the AI generate the results. Processing time can vary based on the image size and the number of outputs you requested, so give it a moment. That's all there is to it. Hover, edit, upload, stylize, choose cloudy, prompt rainy weather, set your image count, and create. And that's how to add a rain effect in OpenArt quickly and reliably.